Hello and welcome back. In this new section, we are going to learn about how to verify our domain name, which is a public domain name, with our on-premises local non-routable domain. And we would integrate our public domain within the Office 365 portal, or you can say you can even do the same thing from Azure Active Directory and so on. And also we are going to create a few of the user accounts and groups within the Azure Active Directory, and we also create them in as part of the bulk user creation process. We would be also setting up our on-premises domain controller with a UPN name, and then we also update the user accounts to use that UPN name for all those users. And then we would also set up with AD Connect to sync up with your on-premises server, which is Active Directory server, to uh, Azure Active Directory. So that way we would almost complete the integration part. Then we can jump into the live demos and live configuration of Intune.